about to wrap. Last scene of the day, and we're about to. Fox time. Sit. What's the rush? Okay, so I'm taking a little break and I'm making some tofu. I'm still watching Paradise. It's actually really good. I really like it. And I've done a fair amount. Like, I did a good amount. Like most of the back. So like I did up to here. So I just have all this guy and then the front to do. It's not bad. Actually, I love this so much more. Like, and it's growing. And it's growing, well, you know. Is it growing, falling out, staying in? I love it. I just need to get it done. And I'm doing it. So I'm really happy because I was a little nervous that it wasn't gonna tighten up. For some reason, I've done it before, but for some reason I was like, what if I do it and it still looks bad? But no, so far so good. I'm getting into the really hard part, which is like the middle top. That's where a lot of it is the messiest, and the front, so we'll see. Okay, so this is my last couple bites. I did kimchi and some sriracha. Fire, bruv, fire, so good. This batch is not as spicy as it's been in the past. Or maybe my tolerance is just better. This is fire right here. And right before I get going again, I'm gonna have a little bit more kimchi. I'm doing the mouth thing. I said it wasn't as spicy, but with a little kick of sriracha.
What are you doing here? Grandpa, whoa, what are you doing here? Come on, Grandpa. I know you. No, I saw her, Cal.
Okay, so I finally finished. I think it looks a lot better. I'm going to, now it's really late. I'm going to put some oil on it, wrap it, and then head to bed. It's honestly so much better, and it's so needed this. Ugh, my sticky thing on the back is, you're sliding like this. My sticky thing on the back is just not working, which is okay. I'm gonna use the Camila Rose, yeah, Ultimate Strengthening Serum. Some of them I've done too tight, like this one is really tight. It's gonna grow out, but I'm so happy with it. Like, every time I do it, I'm always like, every time my hair grows out, I'm like, so every time my hair grows out, I feel like it's never gonna look good again. Like, just because it's like, no, I'm used to like, when I have braids, you have them, you take them out, you rebraid them, and that's how you make it look nice. But the interlocking method, right, like, is obviously you're not taking it out. So for some reason, I always feel like it's not gonna look good. Like, it's just not gonna go back in, because there are some spots, like right here, like there's a little bit of a breakage spot here. There are definitely some spots that don't go into, I just have to let them grow out and then I can interlock them. But all in all, it always comes out really good. Honestly, the best decision I think I've ever made, if I'm gonna be so for real. And it's growing, I think. I actually don't remember how long it was when I first did it. I feel like maybe a little bit shorter, but I feel like after you interlock it, it goes back to the same. I'm in love. I really do love it so much. Anyway. The one thing I'll hand it to me, the one thing I'll give to myself is that I really do my own hair. Like I since COVID, I learned how to braid my hair. It didn't look good the first time, but then ever since then, like DIY, like I cannot believe I DIY'd locks. Like, is she amazing or is she amazing? Like, what? Like, look at these. They look so good. Raquel, you done it again, girl. This one looks a little crazy, but it's okay. I can rebuild this one a little bit later, the next time. Probably gonna fall off, to be honest. Anyway. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna go wrap my hair and head to bed. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow with another video. Sorry that this one was short. I didn't do anything. Oh, I did order Wendy's, and my stomach has gone awry. Like, devastated. So tomorrow I'm going to brunch and we'll see how that works, because my stomach is in tatters. I binge ate. And that's what happens when I am on a calorie deficit for so long. There's always like one day of a bad binge, if I'm being so for real. But that's okay. You have the binge and then keep moving, and then less and less. You'll have the binge less and less. It's just a stress response. Anyway, let me head out and go to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another video. You can't tell me my hair don't look good because I'm feeling myself. Like, guess what song I'm singing? That's another beat for